Once students have completed an Edpuzzle lesson, it's time to dig into the data and see how they did. Edpuzzle grades multiple-choice questions automatically, and grading answers to open-ended questions is a snap. Just open a class and select the assignment you want to grade. Next, go to the Activities tab and select an activity with answers pending to grade. Click on New Answers to view students' responses to open-ended questions. Here, you can mark answers as correct or incorrect, or even give partial credit. Want to leave a note for your student? Edpuzzle gives you the power to provide individualized feedback to students, deepening the educational value of each and every activity. You can also mark all the remaining answers correct. If you want to save time grading responses to questions in a video, consider Edpuzzle's auto-grade feature. This AI-driven tool compares an ideal answer, created by you, to your students' answers. Then it suggests a grade of correct or incorrect. Remember, short, succinct ideal answers work best for this feature. If a question requires a long response with a lot of nuances, you may prefer to grade answers manually. When you're finished grading an activity, you can review students' updated grades on the assignment page. Edpuzzle's analytics give you valuable insights into students' understanding, helping you to plan your next lesson. To view students' progress and scores, go to your class and then select an assignment. On this page, data is color-coded, making it quick and easy to assess students' learning at a glance. Head to the gradebook to see students' grades across all your Edpuzzle assignments. You can also download your grades for your records or to add them to your LMS. With Edpuzzle's full range of grading and data tools, you'll be prepared to track your class's progress and support every learner's unique educational journey.